wrong in that calculation, mama babe. So we've been welcomed with a beautiful kokum drink, some coconut balls, and yeah. Mummy, kadya pe mathe. This is the reception, and that's the pool. Anyways, yeah, reception. We have reached Palolem. This is mom and daughter getaway, and of course, since coming to Goa, I haven't really done a South Goa trip, so we have checked into Gateway Goa in Palolem. The journey was longer than I expected, but it was so beautiful and scenic, and we've been welcomed. So freaking refreshing. This art is so pretty. ये पीछे का area है, and the reception area itself is so huge. You can lounge around. So see, very Goan heritage, but with a modern twist, of course. So they have some sweets and stuff over here, and this is the first dining area. It's called the Troop, and yeah.
YouTube or Instagram?
Instagram. So this is the lobby, and let's enter our room. So enter hote hi, on one side there's a closet, nice and good, and of course those slippers. And then lobby mein hi you have this sliding door wala restroom, and you know I am a fan of good restrooms. Every time I check in into a place, and when I looked at it, I was instantly at my happiest. In fact, my kuch lights yahan pe on bhi nahi hai. Look, so bright, good. There's another light, I guess, but anyways, look at what we have here. Oh wow, okay, we have all the toiletries in here. We have everything is so, I don't know, aesthetic whatsoever. Basic चीज़ें तो होती है of course हर जगह. And this is, I don't know what people keep, but anyways. This is the bathroom area and shower area basically. So the shower area also again very pretty. Then we come out, हमारा bag आना बचा हुआ है. Of course you have your snack and those little thingy. And we have booked a twin bedroom. So we have like 2 beds. Mom is chilling, so I'm not going to disturb her. So look at beautiful everything, really nice. And you have this sitting area, so काफी huge है, and of course they would have a TV. Let's go to the balcony. Okay, we have the door here. So this is a twin room. So ये category में you get 2 kinds of views. One is this greenery wala view, and this is kind of the highway view, but again it's very green and beautiful. So all in all, really good property. I'm so happy. So I've been to one of the Gateway properties in Nashik. It's been 5 years or more to that. So yeah, and that's that. I just got on the bed, and I don't know why did I not show this in the vlog, but because I lied down. Look at the fan. Dude, wow. My dad would be a fan of this fan because it is so aesthetic and gives so much of Goa vibes. And ये TV, भाई, ये wide angle में छोटा दिख रहा होगा, but it's a really huge damn TV for this room. Pretty amazing. We'll be knocking out for a bit because the morning routine was pretty much the same today. So we'll rest and then I'll talk about other things later. Bye. Hello. So woke up from the nap, quickly made coffee. Did not vlog any of it because I was so sleepy. But the best part about this property is that although it does not have like resorts say direct access to the beach, they have free shuttle services, and those take you to Patnam, Palolem and Rajbagh beach. All 3 of them completely complimentary, and you just have to dial at the reception and let them know that hey, this is how I want to go, and they'll arrange it for you. So that's amazing. It's 4:45 p.m. I have booked for 5 p.m. to Rajbagh beach, so let's see how it goes. Here's the shuttle. Oh no, you can. So है शटल में, इट्स रियली कूल। एंड हम चले राजबाग बीच एंड हर 2 मिनट पे अरे हर आवर पे दे हैव द ड्रॉप्स एंड एवरीथिंग। I guess we are passing by the Lalita resort property because it is a golf resort. So maybe it's allowed and a lot of people think it's not accessible. But that's not quite the case. You can access it. Very interesting. This is हम actually उसकी property के अंदर से pass हो रहे हैं. This is the Lalita and हम आ गए हैं almost beach पे. ये देखो ऐसा कुछ है. Behind me is the Lalit and in front is Rajbagh beach. Let's go. देखते हैं कैसा है. Look at it. Yeah. Look at the cliffs and the mountains. Wow. So pretty. बहुत secluded है, relaxing है. There's rarely any people here. I think they're all either guests at the Lalit or people like us for accessing this. It's so beautiful and the water looks calm. Wow. Look at that. हम राजबाग बीच के ये रॉक्स के पास आके काफ़ी टाइम बैठे. आई एम गेसिंग दैट इज़ पटनम बीच. लॉट ऑफ पीपल क्रॉस दिस एंड वेंट, बट यहाँ रॉक्स पे बैठ के वी एंजॉयड द सनसेट. द वाटर इज़ लाइक द वेव्स आर सो अमेजिंग राइट नाउ. माय गुडनेस, इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. काफ़ी अच्छा बीच है, आई मस्ट से. ब्यूटीफुल. सो वी फाइनली मेड इट बैक इन दिस and we're going to wash our feet. Very much needed. Here, let me show you. इतना बड़ा entrance area है. यहाँ पे पूरा parking, dedicated parking area. They have banquets and everything. and यहाँ हम पैर धोने जा रहे हैं. यहाँ पे भी I think ये लोग कुछ बना रहे हैं. Property का extension. So we have come to this rooftop bistro. Let me take you in. So the bistro up there was good, but the menu was very limited. So we came downstairs to their main restaurant. This is what we've been served with. We are sitting by the pool and a very big area with buffet and other options. So yeah. So a quick update. They accommodated mom's low spice requests so well. I'm so glad. The staff is so freaking good. So the soup was bomb. We ordered veg pulao, which was so flavorful and amazing. And then to top it up, they served us this. Sorry, मैंने आधा खा लिया है. But a complimentary strawberry based baked yogurt, something like that. And oh my god, it's so good. See, this is where hospitality comes in picture. The way a staff talks to you, the way they understand your requirement. And my mom really has some peculiar requirements, and the way they're handling it is so good that it truly makes me happy. So it's amazing, man. It's Gateway, you were amazing. So we are at the pool area and it's so pretty. See, they have all the seating arrangement. Very beautiful pool. Daytime में भी कल आके दिखाऊंगी. And they have the spa. Good morning. So सुबह सुबह I'm the first one near the pool area. So ये देखो ऐसा कुछ दिखता है. So calm, the birds are chirping. So the breakfast spread is also really good. Somehow got on the same table by the pool. So they have vegetarian options are good, more towards the Indian side. Also some Goan dishes. Also some continental things like and for everyone. So you're good to go. Good quality breakfast and you know place is good when they know how to nail a medu vada. Mark my words. I was in back-to-back meetings and mom called me. ये कार्ड जो देख रहे हो They have like crackers and muffin and some. Yeah, called me. She's like, "Do you not want to munch on something? You cannot take this in the room." So I'm like, "Okay, cool. Mahal itna acha hai, so laptop leke I'm here, munching a little, and I'll be back to my meetings after that." I was working till now. Just came down to Cambridge. Look at that. You can actually see the beach. Let me finally show you the gym. Pull. पहला वो pull door है, which is easy. You enter and you have an entire cardio section here. But I'm more interested in the weights. And they do have a beautiful weight section that has everything one needs. That overlooks this beautiful garden. Wow. We are finally checking out of this property and it was so freaking good. And the major reason I loved it is because of the hospitality and the staff. So usually Goa mein okay reviews होते ना कि कुछ जगह it's so touristy that you know sometimes that tinge of hospitality just goes missing and there's just lack of this acknowledgement and things. But the staff here was so accommodating. They were so respectful. They were so welcoming and warm. So really shout out to the staff here. I mean, everyone from the reception to the restaurant to accommodating, because my mom has some dietary restrictions. They were so respectful about it. They were so cognizant about all of that, and they kept coming and asking, "Okay, ma'am, do you need fruits? Should we serve you some mocktails on the restaurant, something like that?" So they were constantly coming and asking, reassuring, making sure you're comfortable, making sure you're liking things. Everyone was so attentive despite of the crowd or no crowd. So that truly stood out for me within this entire stay, and that has to be the staff. And if I talk about the property, of course it is so pretty. The room is so neat, so good. The views are amazing. So is the pool and the gym. Everything is just so on point. I really don't have any other feedback because they really nailed it. Yeah, the one experience that we went on the rooftop bistro was okay, but I definitely love the restaurant on the ground floor a lot more in terms of vibe, in terms of how welcoming they were, and of course the food, which was so good. So all in all, I love this property, and I would definitely recommend, if you want to explore this extreme south of Palolem, Patnam, whatever, just come and stay here, and you will have a blast. So we'll close out on that. Bye. Like, share and subscribe.